What's up, guys? I'm back with another tutorial, and this time we'll make this. This is absolutely sick. It's absolutely stunning. So let's just jump into it. I hope you enjoy it. This is a great tutorial just with stock images. Just for this tutorial's sake, I only use the enhanced pack. I'll put the link in the description. So you search a nice texture just to begin it, just to begin your banner. So I like this texture, but if you can see, it stops right there. So what I do, I take my pen tool and search for a part that you can easily edit out. So like this is a fade from gray to black, and you can easily edit that just from to white. Just I'll do like that. Just go around, make a selection, delete everything from the other side. And also what I like to do is, you have so many stocks, just remove them out of that folder so you know which one you're working on and which stocks you haven't used yet. So you have this one. What I like to do is copy it and mirror it horizontally and put them at the same length. Wait, let me do this differently. Let me just select it, native here, copy, and then just to that. There you go. Then you have the same thing as on each side, and then you search for a background. And I picked another texture that you take your brush and you remove these black things. Why am I not? It doesn't have to be perfect. Just you have to see that those black things around are gone. So what I like to do is with this is you can move it around at the way you like. That is just the background. You don't really have to do anything with that. It's just to know that the background is gonna be black, nothing else. There you go, and you have a simple background thingy. Now let's choose another texture. I'll take this one. I need another just simple texture. I'll probably take this one, and where's the other one? That one. There you go. These two, I'll take these two. I'll move them below the other ones, maybe above it, because I want to do something, I guess. Let's see how this will go. Maybe make it a bit bigger. There you go. Got that. And now we want something like, what do you want? It's just figuring out what and where do you want to place it. How does it look? We want this to be behind everything. There you go. I think that's kind of nice. You got the Greek statue. You're gonna put that right there. It has a nice looks like kind of nice. You know, the colors are all on about. You don't have to worry about that yet. I just want one more texture to finish up. Something that says that's finished. Do I need another space guy or a big ass moon? No, not really. Let me find something like that, I guess. What is this? No. Yeah, let's take this, put it in my phone, in my group. Let's see everything. Now you see these black dots. You make. Wait, let me just show you what I meant. Let's copy that. Let's remove one. Let's go back to that texture. Take your brush. Just remove everything like that. Oh, see that? That has a nice texture to it. Let's do this here as well. Oh, this one, let's copy that. Put it horizontally. Just put it the other side. There's a nice texture to it. Let's enable the other one and put it here. And let's remove everything else. Let's put it below the Greek statue. There you go. There you go. That has a nice background to it. It's just the background of your banner, nothing special. Let's edit this statue. Let's edit it. Now put the statue at the front and let's edit it a bit. Okay, let's make a new layer. Take your brush, make it around 200 and color the back. So the back has the shadow of the Greek statue. There you go. Really, statue pops out. I just wanna maybe put a gradient map on it. I like this one. It pops out. Let's remove maybe that. Normal. Put the opacity less. Let me go to hue and saturation. Kind of want to make it. Kind of want to make it a green look. Okay. Let me show you something. All right. You merged everything together. Copy it. You want to go to filter, distort ripple. You want to have a real nice ripple. Where is the statue? Is this a good ripple? Maybe more ripple. Something like that. And you brush away the parts that aren't color, so the gray parts. The rest like that. You put the opacity a bit down. But the ripple effect is still there, so you can see, and I quite like that. So what we have done here is edited the Greek statue a bit, but the rest doesn't fit the Greek statue, and that is what we're gonna do. We're gonna merge everything together. Our whole background we're gonna merge to put a gradient map on it. Put on that Greek statue like this, like that. The opacity a bit down, filter blur, Gaussian blur. There you go. So the statue has a bit of color. Now you take just white, make the brush way smaller. And let's do this. Put that on soft light. The statue pops out a bit more. There you go. The statue is popping out. Let me see what I can do with this statue. Put the statue maybe right there as well. Filter blur, Gaussian blur, not too much. That's way too much. Pass it down like that. Copy it again, and then we turn around. Oh, we remove everything. Filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Blur it again. I'm gonna put it below everything. Put the opacity down again. There you go. I'm gonna take those same colors again that I used. Like that. Maybe green. I'll make big brush. Want a big brush, I said. Put some dots. Put them on soft light. Then you take the other color. Down. That on screen. There you go. What if you put this on screen and then make the opacity? Nice. I don't like my text yet. I like the background. I like that. So we merged everything together that we so far have. we compress everything together. We go to filter. Oh no, that was I pressed the wrong one. No, we go to filter, camera, raw, filter. And we're gonna do some touches to the banner. So so you can see I like this as well, but that is not really part of the banner. But we can maybe do something with it. You never know. There you go. We zoom in on the Greek statue, not that much. Make sure you made a duplicate of your first file. Make it a bit colder. Do we make it, or do we make it warmer? I don't know. Do we make it warmer or colder? Let's make it. Let's see how warmer it is. Exposure a bit higher. Contrast. Highlights. What if you do? No, highlights need to be popping. The blacks can be darker. Okay, that's okay. Clarity, the haze. I'm still not a big fan of. Yeah, let's make it colder. Colder is better. Let's make it colder. Sharpening. We don't really need to sharpen anything, but we can do. Saturation, hue. Let's do the hue. There's no really reds in there, but purples is. Let's make the purple a bit poppier. Blues in the sign. Yeah. Okay. We need maybe a little bit of that grain effect. I like that grain effect. Do we need to change this? I like this change to blue primary, but not too much though. Greens. That is a really nice effect though. Maybe a little bit less. Okay, now we go to, okay, we click on okay, and we got this. I like this quite a lot. If you don't like it that much, you can go to your old one, but let's maybe put the opacity a bit down. Okay, merge them two together and make another copy of it. We go back to camera raw filter. Now we go to the presets. Let's see how they want to do it. Make it matte. It doesn't have that same thing. Turquoise, right? Okay. Vintage. You can make it a bit vintage. Strong Esker. Let's do that. There you go. Make the opacity less. Okay, I like that. I quite like that. Let's see how it's before, after. Before it was that, and after it was this. I like it. Let's merge them together, make a duplicate out of it, and let's see how this looks. Sometimes I like this because it has a great effect on it. Like, it can work. I like it. So if you have your whole picture, everything that you used is just in this little sized canvas, but if you small everything down, you can see everything else, and sometimes it has great effect. Let's go back to the text. Express design. Let's make it bigger. Put it in the middle. Okay, let's copy express and maybe a stroke on it. Not color, but a gradient. Gradient that we're using. This is way too big of a stroke. Line it like that. Scale. Put that scale up, yeah. There you go. Did we remove the fill? We did not. Inside. Fill opacity gone. And make a new layer, merge them together so it's not a text layer. Let's see if like that. What if you put it beneath express? There you go, like that. Put a drop shadow on everything except strokes. Put a drop shadow on the big text. There you go, you skew that. And also what you want to do with this, because you have the ripple effect here going on, you go to distort. Where is it? Is it good? No, it's those. Yeah, ripple, just bind. Ripple everything. There you go. A nice ripple effect. Make the brush smaller. Remove some ripples. There you go. And then go to the other one and remove the ones where it's rippled. There you go. Merge them together. Normal, maybe make it a bit smaller. Maybe what we can do is make it invert. Let me see how that looks. We missed the top part. There you go. And then we go this, and then later we got copy. And then we go gradient. Nah, I don't quite like that though. That is not in the middle. Let me change that. We want to do some more color effects like we did. We take our purple. There we go, and then we take our green / blue. New layer. There you go. Put that on soft light. Soft light. Okay, we merge everything together. We're gonna blur some shit. Everything together. We select our thing. I don't think it's in the middle yet. Why is? Let me see. Okay, we merge everything together. Go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Put 2.5, that's good. Take your brush, just remove some good parts. There you go. Put your opacity a bit down, like that. You merge everything together again. Go to filter, other, high pass. Yeah, I think that's great. And go to soft light. Put the opacity also down, and that gives a bit more texture. Merge them back together, make a duplicate, select it, remove the G and the B, so you have red, and then take this and move a bit to the right, so you have a little glitch effect. There you go. There you have your tutorial for your banner, just with stock images and textures. I quite like it, and this is the other version you can have without the sidebars that I did, but I quite like both of them but I quite like it. That is what you can do with stock images. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, do more fun, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.